step by step to overcome. As the shadows grow long, climbing mountains, crossing streams and distant lands. From the peak of life's road, through the darkest moments, a golden light is shining from my faithful heart. Mindful, I vow